Today we are going to prepare salmon fish steamed with tofu and black soybean. These are the ingredients. Main ingredient is salmon,
Seasoned
already seasoned,
with the pepper, black pepper.
seasoned with black pepper, and tofu cut into pieces. Then we have carrots cut into pieces. Then we have sour vegetable. This comes in a packet.
Use as a sauce. Put or not hot.
You can also do it without it. Then we have cucumber, spring onion, red hot chili paste, and finally we have black soybean that comes in a packet.
It will spring.
Now these are the vegetables, but
Just some
soy sprouts,
yeah.
sliced cucumber,
Bean sprouts. Or the bean sprouts.
sour vegetable, cut carrot, cut onions,
This one cut.
and then
With the black bean.
black
bean.
black bean paste
Sauteed black bean.
cut into small pieces, and tofu sliced. This is the black bean, salted black bean, comes in a packet, available in Chinese supermarkets. Chop ginger into smaller parts. A non-stick frying pan on the stove. Add some oil. We use mustard oil. You can use any cooking oil or healthy oils like corn oil, canola oil, avocado oil. When the pan is heated up, place tofu carefully on the pan. Now that's how the tofu is getting cooked. Cut the salmon slice into 2 equal halves. Grind white pepper powder onto both sides of the fish. Topple tofu upside down so that both sides get fried evenly. That's the fried tofu.
It's oil.
Add oil, mustard oil onto the frying pan,
Yeah.
and add all the cut vegetables when the pan is hot. That's how the vegetables getting fried. Add 1 tablespoon of red flaked chili paste and mix. That's the fried vegetable.
So,
Now place tofu on top of the plate as shown.
now put this one on top.
Now place the seasoned salmon fish on top. Place medium cut salmon on the plate as shown. Place a saucepan with water on the stove. Place the steaming plate on top. Place the already prepared fish plate in the steamer. Cover. Temperature about 200 centigrade. Now that's how the steaming takes place after 20 minutes.
Okay, خلاص. Okay.
Now add cut spring onions on top of the plate. Now pour
Hot oil.
hot oil on top of the green leaves.
Yeah, خلاص.
That will cook them instantly.
Then
Add little light soy sauce.
now see the juice. and
Okay.
eat.
Now
Like this.
when you eat,
Yeah,
you
dip inside the juice.
stick the
The juice.
fish into the gravy
Yeah.
of the dish
See like this.
and
Dip the juice. Then
eat.
eat.
It's delicious, nourishing, healthy, and fast. Enjoy. Thank you for watching.